Hey guys, welcome back to the Girls on the Block. So today we have a very special guest, my friend Rhiannon, and today we're going to be making slime and it's going to be so much fun, so keep watching.
Today we're going to be cutting open this light up squishy and we're going to be trying to make it into slime. Yes. What do you think's going to happen?
I don't know, I think it's going to look really cool when we put the light in. It's going to be so cool.
Yeah, as you can see, it lights up. It's really cool. And I have a bunch of glitters that I thought we should use. We also have some cool scents. And we have some lotion with clear glue.
Yep, so if you want to see that, give it a big thumbs up,
give it a big thumbs up, and
turn on post notifications. Perfect.
So, first we're going to be putting our hair up so it doesn't get in the slime.
So now I'm going to be putting my hair up. Okay, now that that's done, now we can get into making the slime.
So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut open the squishy, or the stress ball, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to use safety scissors. Don't try this at home unless a parent or guardian is with you.
It's not going to cut it.
It's cutting it.
Wait, show them. Oh my god.
I don't know where the camera is.
Shoot.
It's already
Make sure they can see.
It's already like slime. It is slime.
Oh my god, guys, we had no idea that slime was in there.
I thought it was liquid.
So we just finished getting all of the slime out of the, what do you call it, stress ball?
Stress ball or squishy.
This is what came out of the squishy. It's like, what is it, water slime?
Yeah. It's really jiggly.
But it's not like normal slime that you can like hold, you know? You have to put it in a bowl.
It's very stretchy and stringy and pretty gooey. Okay, so now we're just going to mix in the glue to the stress ball.
And we're gonna hope that we can make it into even better slime because we didn't actually know it was gonna be slime, but turns out it's already slime. So we'll just make it better.
It looks really cool. There's a really cool mix. There's a really cool mix of the clear glue and the sparkles. I'm excited to see how it turns out.
Okay, so we're gonna put some borax into it and we're gonna add some water. We're actually doing some chemistry.
Cheers. That spilled. Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna add the borax into the water.
Don't try this at home without an adult present. So, we've taken the slime out now.
And it is activated. Borax is the way to go. Just saying.
With a parent's supervision.
Don't eat it. It's not flour.
It is poisonous. ASMR. Oh, it's like this. I mean, you could have more later. Good enough. So currently I'm just adding in lotion because the slime is overactivated by the borax. So I'm just gonna add in this lotion and we'll see how it turns out. Okay guys, it's coming together now. I don't think you can see it that well, but
it's so much better than it was. Oh my god.
That's a new
so
thumbnail.
Cool. I want to take my hair out of this braid so bad. It looks so weird.
It's all together now, guys. Look how stretchy it is.
Oh my god. Like, this has been one of the best slime fixing videos ever.
Yeah. Now, as a cool surprise, we're going to split this in half and we're going to have a contest to see who can make
the best slime.
So now that we've cut it in half, Kayla's going to decorate it the way she wants to decorate it. I'm going to decorate it the way I want to decorate it. And we're going to see who makes the best slime. So,
This is your channel now.
suddenly I'm in the Girls on the Block.
Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna close our eyes and we have to pick one of the glitters to put into our slime. So Rhiannon's gonna pick first.
Okay.
And
Alright,
I'm gonna mix it up.
Okay.
If she gets the purple one, I might cry. She got green. Oh, that's the only one I didn't want. I don't really care.
Alright, let's take out the ugly color. Alright, redo it.
So she's gonna pick. I'm mixing it up.
Okay. Where is it?
I said no way. Wait. I was like, okay, go. Go.
My eyes are open now.
Okay, now. Alright. Close your eyes. Now I'm gonna mix
You
it
have
up.
to put them like this, or else I'm gonna be like,
Okay. Go. Now
Alright,
it's
I'm
my
gonna mix them up. So Kayla has
It's
to close
two.
her eyes.
I don't know what you're doing, but I'm a little bit nervous. There's 3 more. But you didn't get the green.
I got green.
I'm putting.
Okay. I'm just kidding. I was kidding.
So I got the pink one, and
That's purple.
is it?
Yeah, it has a purple cap.
Okay, so I got purple, and we're both gonna put the glitter in now and see whose is the best.
So I got silver, and she got purple, and she's putting hers in.
A lot. I don't want to waste it because it's yours. Is this good? Rhiannon's built hers. Okay, so we're gonna put shaving cream and it's gonna look so cool.
Actually, it's whipped cream.
Oh my god.
It's the same effect, same effect. I'm gonna put shaving cream in mine as well. This was so mistake!
Oh my god, this is so disgusting. I love like when it's done, but I hate when it's like
It's ooshy
oh,
mooshy.
it's disgusting. I'm putting a little bit more lotion because the shaving cream didn't make mine stretchy anymore. Like it got rid of the stretch. So
I'm probably gonna put I'm probably gonna put some more lotion in
I
mine
put too
too.
much.
Well, yours looks. Yeah, I think you put too much because yours is already like pretty stretchy. Mine, I put more than. Well, I definitely put too much.
This is so gross. I wish you guys could feel how disgusting this is. It's like mush. Look.
Like this.
I don't even have my sleeves rolled up, and this is my favorite torture. Look, it's sticky now.
I told you not. I told you to put your sleeves up and start the video.
Okay, I'll do it now.
This is my favorite torture. So now it's really stretchy, and it makes very
And
good
it's
swirls.
super fluffy now. Like, I love it so much.
Okay, so Kayla and I have chosen this scent for our slime, so I'm just gonna spray a little bit of that in.
And even though you guys can't smell it, just trust us.
It's really good. It smells like flowers and some. So guys, this is my slime. I used the clear glue, lotion, shaving cream, and the silver glitter. And this is Kayla's.
So, I used everything that Rhiannon did, but I used the pink glitter, and it's really fluffy.
I like Kayla's more than I like mine because hers is really fluffy.
Yeah.
But I do like the color of mine. I really like it. Looks really glittery, as you can see. And it's really clicky. This is Kayla's final slime.
It's very fluffy. So this is the best part of the video. Now we're gonna mix the slime! Okay. I love mine.
I love mine too.
But
I really want to see how they work together.
Okay, ready?
Okay,
So
I'm just
open
gonna make
yours
a
and I'm
little-
gonna put mine in because mine's small.
Ready?
Oh.
I'll get attacked, personally. Okay. Alright, so Kayla's gonna put in 3 of these cubes. I'm gonna put in 3, and we're gonna see how it looks.
Here's the slime, and I'm putting 3 of my cubes in.
How do you think it's gonna be? Or how do you
I think it might turn blue.
I think it's gonna turn purple. I don't know. I'm gonna put in my 3 now. I really like the consistency and the Your dog's in the
look
back.
at this. Don't die. It's a family-friendly channel.
Breathe, breathe.
It was dramatic. In my mouth.
Wait, you're calling me now?
She almost died. I saw the light.
I saw Jesus. So, this is the final product of our slime, as you saw before. So
Yeah, comment down below who you think won earlier, and comment down below if you love slime, and give this video a big thumbs up.
subscribe.
If you love slime,
Yes, subscribe if you want to see more of this channel.
and also
Kayla.
comment down below if you want to see Rhiannon featured again. So we'll see you next time. Peace.